Go to the types of questions. So here also we have 40 questions. There also we have variety of question types. For example, multiple choice, identifying information, that means true, false, not given questions, and then whether to give yes or not given answers, matching information, and the compulsory and the most some kind of a complex one is matching headlines. Here matching headlines means like they give separate paragraphs. The reading part is into separate paragraphs, and then in one question they give number of headings. For example, if you have 6 paragraphs, they give 6 headings like A, B, C, D like that, and then you have to match the heading with the paragraph. So that is a bit complex thing. That means you have to get the correct idea at once, otherwise you will mislead with the headings. And then matching features, matching sentence endings, like then again summary completion, table completion. Likewise, there are various type of questions that they can ask under the reading part. Anyway, you have only 60 minutes or else 1 hour for this section. So 60 minutes or else 1 hour is more than enough when you practice correctly. And I will give you the techniques when we are practicing answering. Definitely I will teach you the techniques how to do it quickly and how the shortcuts and other things. Okay, right. And then there are 3 sections, right? 3 sections are there in the academic and general training both. Total length is like 2150 or 2750 words. In that paras, in that total reading part, we can have that much of words, right? So when it comes to journal training, section 1 contains 2 or I'm not going to explain the academic, right? It's okay, right? Because it's not for you. I'm not going to explain that. I'm doing only journal training. Is it okay with you?
Yeah. Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yeah.
So section 1 contains 2 or 3 short factual texts. That means with information text, short texts. One of which may be composite, consisting of 6 to 8 short texts related by a topic. Hotel advertisement, or some kind of a notice, some kind of an information text like that. And then section 2 contains 2 short factual tests focusing on work related issues. For example, applying jobs, company policies, pay and conditions, workplace facilities, likewise in the second section. And in the third section, they contain 1 longer, more complex text on a topic of general interest. So this is the longest one, right? These things are like short and sweet things. Under each of these section we have questions. So these 2 are a little bit okay. But in section 3, we have a longer one, long paragraphs. If you have seen like long paragraphs in the reading, that is this part. Okay. And then text are unauthenticate, taken from notices, advertisements, company handbooks, official documents. We don't know. There's no limit as this is a language. So they give from anything. Sometimes from a research-based document, they give facts about researchers, likewise. Okay, so these are the 3 sections. And the skills, what they check in us are reading for gist, reading for main ideas, reading for detail, understanding inferences and implied meaning. That means these are the things. That means reading for gist, right? What is our reading speed, and then whether we can understand main ideas, what are the details that we gain from reading, and then inferences and implied meaning, whether we can understand something and tell it to somebody, and then recognizing writer's opinion, attitudes and purpose, and then following the development of an argument. So basically they see whether we understand if we read something, if we get to read something, whether we understand that, and whether we can collect the information we need from that text. That is the thing they are checking from this reading sector, right? In that also we get 1 correct mark. That means 1 mark for each correct answers. Okay, and yes, right. Did you understand the reading part? Any questions?
No, miss.
Right. So if you're like, don't feel like it's complex, because when you are doing the papers, you can have an idea, right? Okay,
Okay.
I'm just giving an introduction so you can have an idea what are the things that you should mainly focus when we are doing exercises. Okay.
Okay.
Writing also we have